In this ClickFunnels tutorial, I will show you how to create and send a one-time SMS blast from ClickFunnels to your contacts so that you can quickly share some special offers and promotions. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet, use the link in the description to get an extended 30-day trial instead of the usual 14-day trial and our ClickFunnels course as a bonus. Now let me show you how to set everything up. In case you're not familiar with the way SMS and ClickFunnels work, we will need to use a feature called Message Hub and a Twilio or a bandwidth account. These are two SMS services supported by ClickFunnels at the moment. I will use Twilio, but the process of connecting bandwidth to your ClickFunnels account is similar. That said, our first step in the setup is to connect our Twilio account to ClickFunnels using Message Hub and create an inbox for SMS messages. If you already have an SMS inbox, use the timestamps below to jump to the next step of the setup. From the dashboard, navigate to the Message Hub section on the left here. If you don't see it here yet, because you haven't used it before, click Add Apps, then search for Message Hub, and then click on the card to add this feature to your dashboard. After that, you will be able to log into your Message Hub section. By the way, if you want to learn more about Message Hub, how it works, its possibilities, you can check out the detailed overview by clicking on the card here. What we need to do here is to create a new inbox for SMS and connect our Twilio or bandwidth account. I click New Inbox, then select SMS, and we just follow the steps that we see here. First, we select the provider. It's either Twilio or bandwidth, as mentioned before. Then we set the name for the inbox, and we need to paste some information from the Twilio account. In Twilio, you can find the account information already on the dashboard, and I will quickly copy first the phone number and paste it in ClickFunnels, and then add other information that is required to connect my Twilio account. Once we have all the information added here, I click Create Twilio Channel. In this step, I select the agents that will be able to access this inbox and handle the requests. Click Add Agents. And that's all we need to do to create the inbox for text messages and connect a Twilio account. And I assume the setup for bandwidth is pretty much the same. Once we set up our SMS inbox, we can create an SMS broadcast. One thing before we do that, if you want a faster path to launching your funnels and products in ClickFunnels without having to figure everything out on your own, check out our ClickFunnels course. Inside, I will walk you step by step through how to build funnels that convert, automate your follow-ups, build a course, a community, use other awesome ClickFunnels features, and launch with confidence, even if you're not tech-savvy. Whether you're a digital marketer, coach, a content or course creator, this course is built to save you months of guessing and help you launch your products faster without the tech overwhelm. You can get the course for free when you use our link to start your extended 30-day ClickFunnels trial, or if you already have a ClickFunnels account, you can get the course separately. Either way, the links to the trial and the course are in the description. If your goal is to launch your products faster and without tech issues, this is your shortcut. From your dashboard, navigate to the Automations, Workflows, and then click Add Workflow. Give it a name and click Create Workflow. We don't need to select a trigger for this workflow, we only need to create our SMS broadcast. To do that, click the plus icon, then select Send Message Hub Message. In the drop-down, select SMS, then enter the text of your message. It's just an example text, you of course enter your own message. By the way, the character limit for the SMS is 160 characters. Then we select Start New Conversation and click Create Step to save the changes. With that, we have our SMS created, and now we need to activate the workflow. Click Enable, and now it's ready to be sent. To send the broadcast, go to the Customers, Contacts. Then you can either filter the contacts using specific conditions, or select All Contacts, and in the Bulk Action dropdown, select Run Workflow. This will add the selected contacts to the workflow that we have just created, and the SMS that we have in the workflow will be sent to these contacts. Now let's test our SMS broadcast setup to ensure that it's triggered properly. And I will also show you where you will see the incoming messages if somebody replies to your SMS and how you can reply to them directly within Clickfunnels. I will use my contact and add it to the workflow. In the drop-down, I select the SMS broadcast workflow that I have just created, and just in case, I will also enable the force run. With that, I now should receive the SMS that I added in the workflow. Now on my phone, I got the SMS, and now let me reply to the SMS, and I will show you where in Clickfunnels you will see the incoming messages and how you can easily reply to them. Now I send the message, and if we go to the message hub, then if you go to the SMS inbox, in the unassigned tab you will see the new conversation. And that's exactly the message that I sent from my phone. To answer to this message, you just type your reply here, then send it. And as you can see, the message also appeared on my phone. And in this SMS inbox, you will see all the messages that you will receive from the contacts who replied to your SMS. That's how easy you can send a one-time SMS blast and manage the responses directly in Clickfunnels. If this video tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.